If you're going to prep for a storm, the time to do it is now. First things first, get a plan with your family. Talk about where you're going to go and what you're going to do. And build yourself a severe weather safety kit. Go ahead and put things in there like a portable cell phone charger, flashlights, batteries, water, snacks, things that you're gonna need. And if there is a situation where you need to go into your safe place, you're gonna have quick access to that safety kit. Now, before the storm gets there, walk around your home, see if there are any things that could become flying debris. So we're talking things like patio furniture, potted plants, make sure those are secure. And if you have a pet, go ahead and bring them inside. They don't need to be out during the storm. And we want to get everybody on the main lowest level of your home in a sturdy building away from those doors, windows, and electrical appliances. Make sure you have a way to get those storm updates, whether it's a storm weather radio or if you are getting those app updates from your favorite social media channels or local media in the area for the latest weather updates. And then once that storm passes, if you want to report an outage in your area, you can do that on our website. And we also have an outage map. You can go there and see the progress of what our line workers are doing, how they're restoring the electricity in your area. We also have updates on our social media channels. And we want you to know that you can weather the storm with us by going to alabamapower.com/storms.